Hello friend, this is Ramkumar Kushwaha and welcome back to my channel DevOps Architect. So today we learn the Git related commands practically. Okay, so in the earlier video we have created the distributed repository on the github.com. So you can check out the earlier video for the basic concept and understanding. Okay, so now move on to my desktop screen so that we can learn practically. Okay. So in the earlier video we have created the my website repository, and this repository is the empty. We have created some files earlier, but we have deleted that file. So for the practically we are starting from the scratch from now. Okay, so this is the empty right now. Now move on to my folder. So that is our Git repository we have created in the DevOps folder. The my website is there. So my website is the Git repository because it has the .git folder. Here the configuration files and the settings are available. So that part we will understand in the further videos so that you can also use these things. Okay. So now we'll understand the basic Git commands. So here I am opening the Git base. Okay, so it's open that in the same directory. Okay, likewise. So first of all, we will check that status of that repository. Git status. So this is our first command. Okay, related with the Git status. So we can see here we are on the main branch. Your branch is up to date with origin main and nothing to commit, and working tree is the clean. Okay, so let's we are adding some file. So likewise we can understand. Okay, here the new and text file we are adding file 1. So this is the text file, and we are adding some text. This is file 1. That's it, and we are saving. Control S. Okay, now we will check here the status. Git status. So here you can see the red part of that terminal. So your branch is up to date with origin main. Untagged file is file1.txt. So so what you will understand here, this file is in our workspace. That file is not added in the staging area, and so to understand that part you can check my earlier video. So in that I have explained the workspace and the staging area and the local repository and the remote repository. Okay, so we have to add that file from the workspace to the staging area. So what we have to do? So we need to first of all let's move here. Okay, so that you can see the whole thing. Okay, here this is the untagged file. So we want to move that file to in the staging area. So what command we need to add? That is git add, and after that the file name, file1.txt. We can add any of the file. For the testing purpose we are taking that text file example. Okay, git add file1.txt. Okay, just enter. I'm clearing my terminal so that we can see the properly. Okay, now we'll run the git status command. So here you can see your branch is updated with the origin main, changes to be committed. So we have moved our file from the workspace to the staging area. So now the new file came in the staging area, file1.txt. Now we want to move in the local repository. So what we have to do? We have to commit. It also suggesting changes to be committed. So here we will run the another command, git commit -m, and what we have did here, we have added one file 1. So we can add that comment in our in this command. So added file1.txt. That text should be the for the reference purpose only. So what we have did in this in the file 1, and we have added that file, deleted that file, modified that file. Likewise we can add it so that we can track that in the future. Okay, so likewise here, now again we will run that git status command. See, nothing to commit, working tree is clean. So here it is suggesting your branch is ahead of the origin main. What does that mean? So the remote repository has a nothing file. File is not there. You can see the file are the empty. But our local system is ahead of the origin main. Means the file 1 is added in our local repository. Now we want to move that file in the centralized repository, or we can say the distributed repository, which is available on the github.com. So what we have to do for that, we have to provide that command, git push origin main, because we have only the single branch. For the multiple branch we will learn further, but for the beginners purpose we are just making the simplest thing to understand the basic concept. So we are pushing that file which is available in our local git repository. Now we want to move that file in the distributed repository which is available in the github.com. So we are running that command, git push origin main. So sometime it take time based on your internet connectivity. Okay, so again we will run the git status command. See, we are on main branch. Your branch is up to date with the origin main and nothing to commit, working tree is clean. So everything is up to date and we have pushed that file. Now we will check that file which we have pushed it's reached on the github.com or not. So we will go on the github.com and just refresh that. So you can see the same file we have. This is the file 1, that text we have added in that file. Same thing it's came now. So likewise we can add the file. Now again we will do the same thing. So let's do it quickly. Okay, this is I'm adding file 2 and here I'm adding the text. This is file 2, Control S. Okay, now open the terminal. Okay, clear. First of all we will check the git status. So file 2 is added here. Okay, that is the untagged file available in our workspace. Now we want to move that in the staging area. So we need to add the command, this command, git add file2.txt. That file should be this file name should be the same as we have created. Okay, git add that file name. Okay, after that here git status. Now change it to be committed. Now we want to move that file from the staging area to the local repository, local Git repository. Okay, so we need to commit that. Git commit -m. Now we are commenting the added file2.txt. Okay, let's commit. Okay, so now check again the Git status. Now your branch is ahead of the origin main by one commit. Then we have to use the git push command. Git push -u origin main. Okay, origin spelling is wrong, so ORIGIN, origin main. All done. Now we'll check the git status. So nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Your branch is up to date with the origin main. So let's check it's came on the github.com or not. See that file2.txt file came. Here we added that text. This is the file2. Likewise, we can use it. So in further videos, we will learn about the more commands. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. If you understand this topic, then like this video, and if you have any query and suggestion, then comment below, and if you are new on my channel, then subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching.